If we take a look at the schematics, our top front rail is at the very top of our project on the front. This piece measures 2 inches in width, and we can determine the length by finding the total project width, not including the top, of 24 inches, and we can subtract both of our 2-inch wide stiles from that measurement. This gives us a finished length of 20 inches by a finished width of 2 inches by 3/4 of an inch thick. Of the material that I have left, I have one piece of material that I've saved from earlier on in the project. This piece measures about 23 inches long by about 3 inches wide. That should easily yield me my 2-inch wide by 20-inch long piece. Additionally, I should be able to cut out that knot and not have to worry about it.